lazy hump.
You work?
Nope.
Wake up, got a fish
Oh, that's camera.
on.
Thanks, buddy, for showing me the spot, eh? I just said, let's slow down just a hair. Just a hair. Down in the middle a bit. Slowly look over my head. That's a big one. Woohoo! Fine.
There you go.
Oh, nice. Yep. Nope. Quick. Oh, beauty. He's already running. That's what I love. I love it. I love it. Get it close. That's a nice one, yeah.
Oh, wow. There you go. That's what they're supposed to do.
Yeah. Crash. Keep cranking. You got it, buddy. Oh, fuck, that's one. Beautiful one. Woo! That's a nice fish.
I got mine.
There you go. There, this one. That's a big one too. This straight up. There you go. Oh, I got out of here. Good, buddy. Good fish. You're not wasting time. Oh. Come on.
Don't worry about the water.
Come on. I was watching it. What? You're fired. You're fired.
You waited too long on that one.
Yeah. It's all good, buddy.
Just drop the water. Move down Get him! Don't lose him!
Wait, Hoochie's coming alive.
Are you bringing one in or?
Yeah, you gotta do it that way, bitch. Oh, catch and release, long line.
Yep.
Ah, man, oh man.
All right, whoa.
Oh, this is a good one. Let him run though. Driving there, boss. Okay. I gotta look that way. I got my neck caught in the cannonball. Fuck off. I'm not having fun now. Right there. Holy, that was a shit show. That's good. Need your hand? There you go. Let him run. Oh, jeez. Ah, you bastard. Oh, well. Then we love catch and release, eh? Now whose turn is it, eh?
He's a good one.
I know, you guys just trying to give the fish a fighting chance. You guys are true sportsmen. Fish on! Ooh, she's jumping. Maybe.
This one's not fighting too much yet.
Go it ready. Don't let him go that way if you can help it.
Come on, out of there.
He'll come, he'll come. He's coming, he's coming. That's a big fish.
It is so.
There he is. There you go. Let him run, keep him run. Don't stop him. Don't get there. Lost him. Ah, it's all good. I didn't tell you I took the hook off, did I? No. What a dick.
Oh, Haydened again? Yep. Huh? Huh? Oh, it should be there.
I can see your finger bar.
Ready?
Yeah. And an octopus. You got an octopus, Clayton.
What am I on?
Look at that. You can keep them, but I don't want them.
I don't want it. What am I on now?
Go look at your what your grandpa got there. Just put it in the holder. Let me get a picture of that sucker.
What am I on that? Spotting every inch of the way.
I don't even think I have a bucket to put it in.
We don't want it, do we? I gotta get a picture of it though.
Just leave it in your holder and we'll try to figure something out. Where is he? You still got another 100 feet.
If he's scared me, I know.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah. That's probably maybe not legal.
Oh, yeah.
Legal. He's hooked really well. It's right.
Legal.
Stand it back a bit, just a little bit. I'm going to try to measure him.
Yeah, right. Watch this.
Oh, sure. You just want the glory, don't you? Look at me, look at me. I'm fishing. Come on, pussy. It's only 10 pounds.
Can't lift 10 pounds.
Fucking bunch of bullies in his boat, eh?
Get in there.